The island of Sus is surrounded by bridges. Sus, who's that useless little buck? Thomas.
No, you're not!
Fuck off!
Thomas shows holidaymakers this cock. Cock is one of the holidaymakers' favourite sights. Each night, workers die.
That's a lot of damage!
Oh dear.
One morning, the fat controller came to Tidmouth's sheds. He had a very hard cock. Fuck you, he told the engines proudly. We'll get to see the aeroplanes, Percy puffed. And show even more holidaymakers my cock.
It's a mistake, I think.
Thomas and Percy were bringing the bricks to the airport.
Now that's a lot of damage!
Think of all the cocks, chuffed Thomas. And all the aeroplanes, puffed Percy.
Oh, Trevor!
Thomas had a boner. That's not funny.
Feels like a puncher.
Headphones are both grommet. Look at this. Never seen anything like it. Oh, no!
Next, Thomas and Percy had to go to the smelter's yard. They were going to collect some steel girders.
Oh no! I've broken it.
But when they puffed into the yard, they saw a very hard cock.
Oh, no!
Listen, it's what you hearing. Listen, it's what you hearing. Listen. X gon' give it to you. Fuck, wait for you to get it on your own. X gon' deliver to you. Knock, knock.